Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Rob Menghini from Lowborn Classic Vehicles. Just thought I'd show you again this lovely Suzuki X5. Really nice bike, fully restored. Hasn't been fired up for, I would say, at least 6 months. So I've just pulling bikes out and cleaning them and cleaning the garage floor, etc, etc. I showed you the other day this beautiful 380 and this 250. It's also an Italian Exotica here from 1963, I believe. Right, well, this bike is always been reliable, so I will fire it up and show you. Lovely sounds with these fantastic cans. I think they're Higgs speeds, I'm not sure, but really nice sounds. So it's stone cold. I'll put the fuel on. Might have to put it in reserve because I'm not sure. Nah, choke on. Here we go. Right, that should go. I think the battery is a little bit flat. Oh, there's a bit there. Right, here we go. How's that? Oh yeah. Oh wow. Turn the choke off. Well, there we are, guys. I'm sure you'll agree, that beautiful two-stroke engine and the smell, obviously you can't smell it, but that is blue smoke heaven. It's absolutely gorgeous. Why don't they make bikes like this anymore? All this modern electric rubbish. So there we go, a really nicely restored X5, one of my lovely bikes in the collection. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, as there be plenty more to follow. Cheers.